We at 500 subs, man. Y'all know what time it is, bro. You know what time it is. Boy, if you don't... Yeah, ugly ass thing. But no, man. We just hit 5 the other day. Don't think I ain't noticed it. Of course, I noticed it. But still, don't think I wasn't gonna do nothing for 500 subs. You know what I'm saying? This is what we about to do. You gonna see, I ain't saying a motherfucking thing. Yeah, you just gonna have to wait and see. But I'm about to do it right now, though. So watch this, right? Keep watching. It might mess you up a little bit, but keep watching. God damn. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This shit taking long as fuck. Hella damn long. This the one that's gonna hurt. Damn, bro, I gotta put some real forces to this shit. Woo. Bro, this shit just took me forever. Like, god damn, I ain't even had that much on there, but yeah, got the brain gone, man. Back to the fucking basics. This bitch still hard, though. You know what I'm saying? Damn, that damn water just got on my face. No, this shit's still sweet, though. Trying to pick up my mess and shit. No, this shit's still sweet, though. Hold on. Throw this shit away. Remember I told y'all in the other video, man, make sure you throwing your trash away. Especially out here in Texas, man. They don't play this shit. About to wash it. Not too good, though, because it's gonna rain again. But y'all gonna see when I'm washing it. Like, I'm gonna just do a quick little wash. Nah. Yeah, bitch clean now. Can't go wrong with the plane. Look, man, this shit hard. Can't go wrong with the plane, look. So let me say a few things. Yeah, I know I'm sweating this shit. Let me say a few things, right? For one, rap ain't no motherfucking joke to take off, bro. God damn, like that shit took, bro, the little rap I had on there, that took me roughly 25 minutes. I ain't gonna lie. Like, especially if you ain't got no nails yet, you fucked. For one. Two, I missed the car looking like this. I ain't gonna lie. I missed like just the gray, black, natural kind of look. You know what I'm saying? The reason I watched it though, I mean, well, you know, I think. I don't know if I'm gonna put it in the thumbnail and the title yet, so I don't know if I'm gonna really tell y'all or not. But at least if I put it in there, you know. If I didn't put it in there, you're gonna have to wait tomorrow and see, because I'm gonna continue the video tomorrow. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? So, till tomorrow, catch y'all.
Get the chase going, rather chase going. Why would you pull out with no plate? Oh, the tow truck's leaving.
Why are you on the police ass today? Damn, bro, they got Mopar niggas get. You never know. Damn. That's what I thought you was gonna grab. I give
it was
that,
nice, yeah.
Nothing about it, huh?
One more time. Yeah, I appreciate it.
Thumbnail. Alright. You see how he walked off like a bub? Boy, he know he cool. He know he cool. Nah, that's fucking crazy. Even the paint is crazy. This paint is amazing. Just that cam one I posted one time. That one meet we went to?
Yeah.
Did he? I don't know.
Same dude. No, because I remember they had the plate on there. I was asking about my sunroof. Yeah, it's the same dude.
Excuse me, y'all. All right. God damn. God damn, boy. I ain't need to Aston Martin in front of you. Damn. Damn.
Why don't you bust a little bitch? Why don't you bust a little bitch?
Damn, that's crazy.
Fuck the police.
Yeah, say it again, man. Fuck
Fuck
them,
the
huh?
police.
Oh, yeah, let them know what you about.
Yeah, fuck the police.
Damn. Anything else coming? Well, I see something with some stripes on it. A Mustang. Go another police, you can't do nothing. I'm recording regular traffic at this point.
Hey, let's go down here.
Not even like.
It's crazy how much police it is.
Fuck our feet. Let's just walk down. Fuck our feet.
Another one.
Watch out, baby. Bullshit. I would have hit that motherfucker sooner.
Hey, it fucked me up. They locked the nigga up. I'll say it fucked me up. The police hop out and arrest his ass talking that shit.
Crazy.
I'll be down laughing that shit happen. I was like, well, damn. That's crazy, bro.
They think this is like a takeover some shit. This ain't shit.
Wow. Oh, hey.
This ain't shit. I love how we're just talking.
Damn. Oh, look at the inside. It ain't that deep. It's not that deep. It's not that deep. It's a goddamn car meet, bro. It's not that deep. It's just a car meet. It's not a takeover, bro. It's just a car meet, bro. God damn. It ain't that deep, bro. They must be looking for some. I've been bullshitting. I'm supposed to have been recorded this. It's like 2 days later. Got it done yesterday, though. It's clean, though, ain't it? Something slight. Let me know what y'all think, man. Some more coming, though. I'm going to finish the whole top like this, but piece by piece.
Niggas, no, I don't need nobody, that's the only thing. Where was niggas at when I was by myself? I seen niggas doing good, they ain't try to help me. But I don't count on nobody, that's the only thing. I seen niggas had to shine, they turned shady. She wanna do relations, so I test out. You want feelings?